Welcome back friends for free alteration tutorials. Today I'm going to show you how to adjust corset based prom dress. First, what I'm doing is pinning on a customer, and then I will measure exactly how much I have to take it in and how far I have to take it in as well. After I measure, I also will measure on the skirt part how much I have to go down. Next, I will start removing the pearl beads. You just take a seam ripper, cut the thread and pull the beads. Make sure you save all the beads because we're gonna need them to sew them back when the garment is ready. Next, I will remove the top stitches from inside. When I remove the top stitch, I always remove a little bit farther than exactly the amount that I marked. Next step is to open the seam right underarm, where the basic fabric and the lining is sewed together. After opening this part, we will have to open the waist part where the skirt is sewed to the corset part. You can open from the right side, or you can actually go inside between the lining and the right fabric and open from inside. After you remove the stitches, you can turn to the wrong side, mark how much exactly we need to adjust, and then we have to sew it. When we adjusting the side, make sure to do the back stitch at the beginning and at the end. After sewing, I will take my razor blade, but you can use the seam ripper and open the old seam, and then the allowance we're not gonna cut it since it's just a little bit adjustments, and also we will press it the allowance open. But before then, I will adjust the lining and the skirt part. The skirt part I will adjust until the pocket. Since we have the pocket, we have to stop exactly where the pocket starts. And also don't forget to do the back stitch at the beginning and at the end. After adjusting the skirt part and the corset basic fabric, I will match the seam and I will have to sew them together. This is our waistline. Make sure the seams are matching. Next, we're gonna adjust the lining part. The lining part also have the bodice part and the skirt part. After we're adjusting, make sure at the waist you're adjusting exactly same amount. So when you sew it together back, it's matching and it's not making wrinkles or any like pleats. After adjusting the lining, we have to close the arm line, which is lining, and also make sure you're opening the allowance. After that, we'll turn to the right side and press it. Now we are ready to sew all the beads just how originally the dress is. Take the needle and thread, and also you can tie it with the old thread and then cut the old thread and continue sew all the beads just how it is. Prom dresses are very different and the alteration sometimes can be different as well. So as much as I will have, I will try to make tutorial for you so that can help you in the future. Let me know if you have any question. Please make sure to subscribe to my channel, like and share. I appreciate you so much and wish you all the best. And here is our final result.